the is minus, you have to have the minus 518068014, and it downloads the Woodland Mansion, as you can see here. Yes, and you should spawn. I'll show you where you should spawn. I just went over. I've done work on this. So you should spawn. If you're like, oh, I should spawn there. No, you shouldn't. You should spawn somewhere you can't see the Woodland Mansion, and like somewhere, you should spawn somewhere. Yeah, about like here or something. No, I think. Oh yeah, about like here or something. Oh yeah, like somewhere around here. Then you would go up. Yeah, right there, somewhere around that area. You would have to go up, find yourself the Woodland Mansion. And yes, it wouldn't matter. That's not there. That's what I built. I killed everything and I redesigned the place, put more torches around and all that. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. So that's the first. There's about 3 stories. That's just like the chest room. That's like a little prison. I find that's really cool. And this is just the first story. And look, who wouldn't want a woodland? Who wouldn't want a massive mansion? What the hell? Oh, I thought I was like on invisible blocks, but I guess not. And so that's wait, where's the way out? Oh, oh yeah, there's more chest room. Yeah, and it's really hard to find your way out. Oh, there we go. It's like there's 3 stories, and then but the problem is they spawn on your roof. So don't get off. You don't deserve to be up here. Oh, so you wanna play? So I was like, wow, he didn't die from that fall? Wow. Okay. So, I don't know how to edit, so I have to save and quit. I don't do like, bam, and it's there. I have to like save and quit. The next seed would be minus 20,088,9230. And it is okay to do like pausing. I'm just telling you it. I didn't find these. I copied them off other YouTubers. Go and subscribe to them. And this is like a double village. One of them's ordinary, and then the other one's like that. But if you go over to, is there a well here? Oh yeah, a well. The desert well in the desert place. You go down. You see these bricks, right? Mine, and then boom, you're in your very own mine shaft. And yes, it's very simple. You have to walk down here. Do that. You find that water fountain and boom, you're already there. And there you go. Should be 1 iron vendor. And yeah, on to the next seed. Let's go for, on the likes, let's go for, oh yeah, that's my, how many likes? Oh yeah, this is the 3rd one. let's go for 20 likes. I know that's quite a lot, but yeah. And this seed, this is quite big, but it's awesome. I don't know how this happened. So, minus 11, 4, 3, 7, 3, 4, 7, 6. If you don't add the minuses, you won't get the worlds, okay? I'm not that popular. I'm only a kid, and I just want 20 likes, okay? So I need to go and do something. Sorry about that, guys. It's just that I had to do something so my mum wouldn't disturb us. So, yeah, this is a glitch. That's a glitch. Yeah, but if you go over here, I think it's over here. Oh yeah. So wait, have to go back. Oh yeah. So it's like over this around this stream, and then you should see this, like a man. So let's go and check out the. Yeah, I've already checked it out, as you can see, and there's quite a lot of obsidian. See, there's 3 obsidian. There we go. 2 diamonds and 3 pieces of bread. I know that's not like the best, but look, that is rare. Wait. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. And there's another village over here, which is dark oak. That's nearly like impossible. And then if you look in this well, look, it doesn't have it because look, it's not in it. No matter how far you dig down, you will never get. It's crazy, isn't it? So, I'm not going to try and waste our time because you know, usually when it gets to 5 minutes, it goes off. So let's go off. There will be a part 2 to this because I don't think I'll be able to do all of them. Yeah, I've got quite a lot. Is this a seed? Yeah, it's not. We're not going to do that seed because I still need to do some seeds. Oh yeah, and this is a new seed. So create new. But always being creative. And the seed is so the seed you need to do is minus 518068 014. Always add the minus in, okay? And then boom, press create. So, like you saw, the first one, that one, you should spawn about right here with that little thing. This is the same one as I did last time, but I'm just showing, yeah, you should spawn right about here, so exactly here. And if you don't see that, you're not in the right place. So, if you do that, go forward, and go to like this place, there is the Woodland Mansion. And there is the start of the Woodland Mansion. See, it's dark now because that's the Woodland Mansion. See, I haven't added it or anything. And then you just go over here, go back over there, and yeah. So that's where you spawn and how to get to it. Oh my god. Ooh. So yeah, there's quite a lot. And if I go into here, this one, if you're up, is 4140513 There's no minus, so do not add the minus. If there's no minus, you won't get it. Do not spawn in that. You will not spawn in that lava. I just dug down there when I was watching the records. I did not find these. Some other YouTubers found these unspeakable as well. So technically, there's 3 gaps. This is called the diamond, where you would dig straight in the middle, like in the middle of, or is it here? I think it might be here. You would dig all the way down, and it's quite a big place. There's Enderman and everything. Husks! But you're meant, the user said, the person who found this said, you're meant to get 20 times the more diamonds. Ooh! A zombie spawn. Cool. And yes, you can find this. I never knew you could actually find that though. That's cool. Oh, this is sick. Okay, so let's go back up. Ah. I haven't played. I do play on computer a lot. So that's in there. So I'll go back to the first hole. I found like a billion diamonds. Literally. Wait, maybe. So if you go over here. Yeah. Sorry guys, we haven't found any diamonds. As that same Enderman. That is so weird. And yes, not many people have been commenting, I have to admit. Thank you, Captain. Yay, we killed you. Yeah, wow, wow. Should be the redstone because there's like a lot of redstone. Ooh, random place. Did you know? Fun fact. Oh, what's this? So let me spawn. I know this is completely out of the video. And I'm going to give you a fun fact to make. Pretend you're making a really funny. Pretend you're making a really super duper funny map for me or someone else. Probably not for me. Probably like on Speaker or something. Because I'm not that famous. I'm not like good. All that. I'm just weird. I'm just suck. I'm not that good. You get a pump. There we go. Pumpkin. Yeah, you know what that means. But if you get shears, this is cool. I found this super cool. Watch. Wait, will you die? Because it's cold. Hot. I mean. Yeah. What? Yeah, I guess that. And yes, you should spawn in that grass area, and then you should come and find your way up to this place. So you should like spawn like over here or over here somewhere. And yeah. So let me just do that. Actually, I shouldn't die now. Boom. And then you get the derpy snowman. Wait, can you attach it back on? No, you can't. So technically, you can spawn like 1,000 of them. Yeah, this is what I do. Dunno. So if you're making like a Christmas funny world, right? I don't know what that is. I just made a random name up. Like unspeakable, because I'm not going to mention that I made, because of course you wouldn't do it for me.